let us discuss about fundamental quantities. So we have seen in earlier lecture that there are 7 fundamental quantities and 2 supplementary quantities. So let us see here. So first one is our length. First one is length. Means suppose we have a rod and we need to measure its length. So that is called length. So its unit will be meter. Its unit will be meter. Now next one is our mass. Next one is our mass. Mass, suppose there is a block whose mass is to be measured. Now when we put this block on a weighing balance, its mass suppose is 1 kg. Means kg is what? Kg represents mass. Kg represent mass. Next fundamental quantity is our time. Time means to measure. Suppose there is a body which is under a motion, है ना, under motion of a straight line, and after moving it reaches to point this, है ना. Let us suppose from point A to point B. While its motion, let us suppose it take time t. So t will be what? T will be time, which is represented in second. So unit of time is second. Next fundamental quantity is temperature. Temperature, whose SI unit is Kelvin. Although we will see that the units used to express temperature is degrees Celsius. Suppose a weather forecast that is around 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius. Okay. But the SI unit is Kelvin. Now next fundamental quantity is electric current. Electric current, about which you have studied in class 10th also, electric current. So we used ampere to measure electric current. Suppose there is a circuit, there is a power supply source, battery, and here a bulb has connected. So if we need to calculate how much in electricity does this cell supply, है ना? So this current is measured in ampere. This current is measured in ampere. Now next fundamental quantity is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity means intensity of light. Intensity of light, about which our optics chapter of class 12th, whose unit is candela. Short form is CD. Next another fundamental quantity is our amount of substance, है ना? About which you have studied in class 9th also, or first chapter of class 11th chemistry. So amount of substance means just amount, anything, whether it is atom, electron, proton, neutron, or anything. Let us suppose pen, pencil, anything, amount of anything, amount of any substance called amount of substance, that is its unit is mole, and the short form is MOL. Next we have 2 supplementary quantities like plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle, let us suppose we draw an angle on this plane. So the angle measured between these two inclined line called plane angle, which is generally represented by our theta. So generally we used to measure this angle in terms of degree. Let us suppose theta degree, but the SI unit of this angle is radian. SI unit of this angle is radian. We will see in further lecture how to express the degrees degrees into radians. Okay, we will see how to express angle in terms of degree and in terms of radian. Means हम इंटर कन्वर्जन यहाँ देखेंगे, ठीक है. So let us see that we have an angle of 180 degree. So 180 degree is equals to pi radian. 180 degree is equals to pi radian. So what about 90 degree? 90 degree will be equal to pi by 2 radian. Pi by 2 radian. This symbol C represents radian. This symbol C represents radian. Next fundamental quantity is solid angle. Let us suppose we have a cone. Let us suppose we have a cone. So the angle formed in this cone, here the angle formed is called solid angle. This angle is called solid angle, whose SI unit is steradian, which is expressed in terms of SR. So that's all about fundamental quantity and two supplementary quantities. That's all for the day.